And if your breast little like mine, right, so your bottom little like you're slim, and the boy make you feel like a thick, big breast, girl, you have to leave. Yeah, the boy have to see the beauty in you.
Brick by your waist, front way, back waist. You know, say me don't play one. No.
I want you to stop singing.
What? I can't sing.
No.
Are you fit? Stop chat. Stop chat. Your teeth yellow like a Snapchat.
I wanna love you so hard and let you have multiple orgasms. I wanna see you squirt. She want a man in fuck, but she. To go on anyways. You see it. And now I did here see how go on anyway, she just stamp you chat you see me. So I say, you want to hear my requirements? She said, yeah, sure. You see? So I say, alright. You want morning fuck? Well, me want morning suck. A early morning suck at that. You see me? She smiled. She smiled. I said, okay. And they said,
Ladies, it's 2020. We can't be afraid to shoot our shot. Baby boy, hi, how are you? I'm Naya. Do you have a girlfriend? No, do you want one?
Coronavirus! 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 Coronavirus!
Name one tourist attraction in Clarendon.
KFC.
I wanna love you so hard and let you have multiple orgasms. I wanna see you squirt.